Hello everyone. In this tutorial I will show you how you can write your first program in C. For that I will open my text editor. You can use any editor whichever you like. I like Sublime because of its interface. So let's start writing the code. I have included this library so I can use the statements for printing. This include standard input output. This stdio means that you can now input and output from your program. I will explain it later. Main is the function from which the C compiler starts reading your program. Main is the entry point to your program. Okay, and int is the return type. So I will write here printf hello world. As I have written int as return type, so I have to return something from this function, and I will return 0. Now I will save this program. I will write it hello world dot C with save as type C. I have saved this program. Now I will open my command prompt to run this program. I will go in this folder where I have placed this code. I will use shift and right key to open Chrome window, command window here. After that I will write gcc for the C language compiler, and hello world, the name of the file, dot C. I will write that it should be in the output file hello. This -o hello will make an exe file of name hello. I will put enter. Okay, there is an error. Let me check. This is not needed in C. This is needed in C++. Control S. Again save. And we will see in the folder there is now a hello.application file. Now we can run it. Using command prompt. I will write the name of the file .exe. The antivirus is scanning the file if it has any problem. And you see here it is hello world, which we wanted to print. Thank you for watching this video. Stay tuned for the next lectures on C language.